Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you my recent purchase, which is Dyson V10 Absolute Pro Vacuum Cleaner. This video is gonna be the unboxing video. Now let's take a look what's inside the box. So here is the instruction manual. Packaging is quite nice. Now let me place everything here on the table so that we can see what attachment are we getting inside the box. Dyson basically have changed the game for vacuum cleaner. It's a cord-free vacuum cleaner with higher suction power that is 20% more than other vacuum cleaner. But guys, it just weighs nearly half. It's just 2.5 kgs. Isn't that amazing? So here we have the vacuum cleaner head. So the Dyson vacuum cleaner claims to capture 99.97% of microscopic dust, which is as small as 0.3 microns. It works at 120 RPM, which provide it a great suction power. It is having 3 power modes, which can be used accordingly. So let's move on to the next attachment. Now it is a direct drive cleaning head with nylon bristle. It helps to clean the dirt and dust from the carpet. So basically it is used for cleaning the carpet. So what we've got next? Next we have a soft woven nylon roller. It is used for capturing the large debris on the floor. The next attachment which we have got is this mini motorized tool for removing pet hairs, dirt from mattresses, couch and curtains. Let me show you how to attach the head with the vacuum cleaner. See, just like that. The sound is also less. So okay, moving back. Here we have the mattress tool. This is used to clean the mattress, the curtains. Now this is the up top attachment for reaching or getting behind the things for cleaning without putting much efforts, like for cleaning behind the TV. Now here we've got the combination tool. You can pull the brush out when you need and remove when you don't. So what we've got next is, so this is the mini dusting brush. It is great for quick cleaning. As you can see, this is really small, but it is very effective. It works really fine. Now this is the extension hose. We can attach it to the head and can use it. Let me show you how you can attach. That's simple. Now here we've got the crevice tool. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it helps in cleaning the narrow area. Finally, we've got the extension rod. Let me give you a quick view of how the vacuum cleaner can be used. You just have to put it here. It's really simple to attach all the parts together. Because it is too light, it can be used easily. So for emptying the bin, Dyson have point and shoot mechanism, When the bin gets filled with dirt, just point and shoot in the dustbin. It ejects all the debris and dust in one go, like this. This is really simple mechanism. So here we've got the docking station to hold the vacuum cleaner in the upright position on the wall, like this. So this is the charger which we can attach to this docking station. Here are all the attachments we got in the box. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.